Rooeusc M17C 300 watt fast charge for laptops like Apple Macintosh, Windows. Comes with 2 supplied cables. Check online for further details about the color they offer. As we open up the package, we'll show you how nicely they are boxed with your cables, the charging station, and the product manual. 4 USB-C types, 2 USB-A types, and 2 charging cables. Close-up look at the product. In black, the PD20s, the USB-As. Simply lift the 110 volt area to plug into the wall. We have over here an outlet that we're going to turn on, plug in, and we're ready for use. We unwrap the Velcro strap, USB-C to C, 6.6 feet, and it plugs in to the unit, one of the 4 ports. With additional cables, we could plug into the PD20, including USB-As. And we have here our 6 cables that we're going to attach to equipment. One at a time, we're plugging in a USB-C laptop. Macintosh and Windows, USB-C as well. 2 units charging. If your phone is USB-C, you could charge your phone. You could charge microphones, different types of microphones. Fast charge cameras, PD20. Or simply charge a camera via the USB-A port. Many different ways you can charge, and when finished charging, you could plug in other items that are USB-C. So you have a 6.6 USB-C to C cable. When all completed and done charging, it's portable enough that you could take with you anywhere you want and fold up. It's a strong cord. It has its Velcro strap that you wrap around, and the unit is foldable back into its cradle, the AC. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you're looking for, then 2 USB-A, 4 PD20 300 watt charger to charge just about anything imaginable. It's lightweight, no LEDs lit, plugs directly into an outlet that could be on a table, on the wall, or extend it and put it anywhere you like. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.